Hi, this is Terry with Trusted Water. Today I'd like to show you how to take a measurement with your total dissolved solids meter that comes with your snapshot water inspection kit. To measure total dissolved solids, all you'll need is the sample collection bottle and the TDS or total dissolved solid meter that comes with your kit. So first we choose a water outlet to test. We'll fill up our sample bottle. Then we'll take our meter and remove the protective cap on the bottom, exposing 2 electrodes. Those are the electrodes we're going to dip into the water sample. Now when you dip this into the bottle to take a reading, you just want to dip it in far enough to submerge the electrodes but not get the display wet. So somewhere in this area is as far as you want to dip it. So we'll turn it on first by pushing the power button. We'll dip it into our water sample. And we're going to push the hold button so that when we remove it from the water, our reading doesn't disappear. The hold button on the bottom, push that, take it out, and now you want to record the result. In this case, 52 parts per million is our reading for total dissolved solids. You can either take a photo of the screen or write down the number. To remove the number, push the hold again, and you can push power to turn it off. It's that simple. All of those instructions are included in the user manual that comes with your kit. On the back of the total dissolved solids meter, there's some information about different levels of TDS and what they mean. This meter can be calibrated. It comes factory calibrated, but it can be calibrated if you have a standard reference solution of sodium chloride, which you can get from Trusted Water. And that's it. It's a simple measurement. Good luck.